Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Muntazir Hussain. If you are a book lover, then today's video is especially for you because in today's video I will show you how you can have access to a book using Google Book. In the previous session I have shown you how you can download research article as well as book using these websites such as Sci-Hub, Library Genesis, PDF Drive and Z Library. These websites provide access to large number of ebooks written on different topics such as history, biography, technology, engineering, and management. However, it is important to note that these websites are illegal. So in today's session, I'm interested to show you how you can have legally access to ebook using Google Books. Now I will show you how you can get access to the Google Book. There are three methods to access the Google Book. The first method is to write the Google Book in the search bar and then click on the first option, that is Google Book. The second method is to write the books.google.com in the search bar, so you will be directed to the Google Book page. The third method is to click on Google Apps and within the Google Apps click on Books. So this is the search bar of Google Books. You can search book for different topic just by entering the title of the book, the author of the book, or ISBN number of the book, that is Internet Standard Book Number, in this search bar. For example, I'm interested to search for a book on the topic that is nonlinear dynamics. So I will write the topic in the search bar, and as a result, as you can see that different book are written by different author and different publisher are shown. In order to have more precise search of the book, you can click on this tool. By clicking any view, all the books that are available in partially view or fully view will be shown as a result, and by selecting the full view, only those books will be shown that are fully available at Google Books. You can also search by document type such as book, magazine and newspaper. For example, if you are looking for a book, so then just click on this books. You can also search by time. For example, you are looking for a specific 21st century book, so just click on this option. If you are looking for 28th century, so then click on this option, and furthermore you can search for 19 option as well just by clicking 19th century. You can sort the search by their relevance as well as by their time, and the folded option shows that the book are available in preview. After getting the desired book, just click on the title of the book. On the left side, you can find the characteristics of the book. For example, this is the title of the book, these are the author of the book, and furthermore you can add this book to my library, as well as you can have more information about the book just by clicking about this book. This is the Google preview for the desired book. You can zoom in as well as zoom out. You can copy the link of this book just by clicking this option. You can add the book to my library in different sections. For example, favorite, reading now, to read, and have read section. You can access the table of content just by clicking this option. This is the table of content. If the book is available for download, then you will have the option download in PDF or in some different format just by clicking on this drop down menu on the setting button. However, this book is not available for download, so that's why we do not have the download option. Now I will show you some other books that are freely available for download. Let's suppose searching for the book English Grammar. So as a result, this book is available an English Grammar, and this book is available in full preview. So just by clicking the title of the book, it will direct me to the preview page of the Google Books, and furthermore by clicking on this setting option, as you can see, this book is available for download. So you can download the book in PDF format just by clicking download PDF. Provide the security check. You can download the book just by clicking start download. As you can see, the book that is English Grammar written by Alexander is downloaded in PDF. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any question or query, you can contact me via comment section. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press bell icon. Thank you very much.